Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 3-digit by 3-digit multiplication using only one simple pattern. We will solve 3 simple examples step by step. So before taking any questions, I'm going to tell you the pattern which we are going to follow for 3-digit by 3-digit multiplication. So the pattern is straight line, cross, cross, and one more cross is added, then again cross and one straight line. So what is we are doing this? We are just counting the number of arrows. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. This pattern is called palindrome pattern. Now what is palindrome pattern? The sequence of character which reads the same backward and forward. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so let's take some questions. Question we are going to take is 1, 1, 2 times 2, 3, 1. And we know the pattern: straight line, cross, cross, and again a straight line, then cross and a straight line. First, we will take straight line. That is 2 times 1 will give us 2. So we will write 2 here. Second pattern is cross multiply and add. 1 times 1 plus 2 times 3, which gives us 1 plus 6 is 7. We will write 7 here. Now third pattern, watch it very carefully. Both the ends we have to take and the middle one we have to take. I will write 1 times 1. These two ends, corners one we have taken, plus then again the corner 2 times 2 plus 1 plus is added, both the middle one 1 and 3. 1 times 3, that is 1 plus 4 plus 3. This gives us 8. 8, and then pattern is these two, this and this. 1 times 3 plus 1 times 2, that is 3 plus 2 will give us 5. Last is 1 times 2 will give us 2. So here is our answer, 25872. Now we are taking the next question is 1, 2, 4 times 2, 1, 1. Okay, so for your reference I'm writing the pattern: straight line, cross, this cross, cross, and a straight line. First pattern, that is straight line. I'm not writing the steps, we will do mentally. 1 times 4 is 4. Next step is cross. Okay, cross, multiply and add. 2 times 1 is 2 and 4 times 1 is 4. 2 plus 4 gives us 6. Now we will do third step, like the corners. 1 times 1 is 1 plus 4 times 2 is 8. So 8 plus 1 is 9 plus this 2 times 1. So 9 plus 2 gives us 11. So we will write 1 here and 1 will be carried. Now second last step is this one, cross. 1 times 1, I will do with different pen. 1 times 1 and 2 times 2. Okay, 1 times 1 is 1 plus 2 times 2 is 4. 1 plus 4 gives us 5. Straight line is 1 times 2 is 2. So our answer will be 4, 6, 1. This 1 will be added to 5. This will be 6 and 2. So this is our answer. Understood? Let's solve one more question. So the last question is 1, 3, 5 times 2, 4, 1. So for your reference, I am writing the pattern: straight line, cross, then a cross and a straight line. First pattern, 5 times 1 gives us 5. The next pattern is cross. 3 times 1 is 3. 5 times 4 is 20. So 20 plus 3 gives us 23. So we write the ones place and then carried will be written down. Now the next pattern, just focus on this. Corners we will take. 1 times 1 is 1. This 5 times 2 is 10 and 1 times 1 is 1. So 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 and 3 times 4 is 12. So 11 plus 12 will give us 23. So 3 ones place and 2 will be carried. Now second last step, cross again. So 1 times 4 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 plus 6 will give us 10. 0, 1, and the last step 2 times 1 is 2. Answer will be 5, 3, 2 plus 3 gives us 5, 2 plus 0 gives us 2, and 2 plus 1 gives us 3. So this is the answer. This is a practice worksheet for you. If you get stuck, just go back to the video, watch it again, and practice these questions. Learning and keep growing. Thanks for watching.